I'm gonna feed my subscribers Celica content because I've been dry on 7th gen. Is that okay with you?
That's fine.
Okay,
Yeah.
so then what's going on here? Obviously Clinton is here, so something bad is going on.
I'll let the owner explain.
Okay.
So my transmission blew on this on Friday.
This is a
03 GT.
okay.
Celica GT, and it blew up on the way to Sparks because I wanted to go to Sparks Pick and Pull.
You're going all the way to Nevada
Bro.
for pick and pull?
There was okay. So
Oh my
hold
god.
up. XRS Matrix, GTS fucking manual, 6-speed manual Celica, and a GT Pontiac.
I did see the notifications for that.
I know, I got blown up like on my phone.
Hey, if you need to put stuff, you could put in the back. It's empty.
Yeah.
The trunk?
The trunk?
Yeah, it's empty.
Yeah.
But you were, because this guy's trying to copy originally me.
Me?
How are you trying to copy you?
Junkyard Reds.
Oh.
You act like you invented that, dude.
Yeah.
You know who invented that? Obama. Okay?
Obama
Cash
invented
for
that?
clunkers, and
Yeah,
then he
yeah.
was like, "These my biggest idol."
Wait, was he actually doing cash for clunkers?
Yeah, because
Yeah.
the economy was in the toilet, and he was like,
I'm gonna
need to-
fucking save the automotive industry.
"Yeah."
I mean, he did, but I mean,
They have a spreadsheet.
Yeah.
I about it yesterday, dude. They have a spreadsheet of all the cars crushed because they have to keep track of it for the DMV with all the pink slip junk titles.
What?
In a shit ton of like Supras, like it's
No,
it's sad. Yeah.
dude, you're lying.
I swear to God.
but yeah. After that, I told everybody in the group chat. He says, "I got a GTS. If you want it," I was like, "Fuck it."
Fuck it.
Same color.
Same color, same style. This is basically my dad's car, and then fuck.
Well, if it's your dad's car,
No,
then that
I-
means it has sentimental value to it,
Well, I
no?
already told my dad it's a piece of shit. It has to go.
Dad, I don't like our car.
Yeah.
I
so-
want a better one. Dad?
So I got a fucking GTS, and I hope he understands me, honestly. You know.
I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah,
but
it's I mean, it's just a car to car. This is gonna be Celica 1ZZ FE 2.0
Yeah, this is gonna be his
2.0.
how's it?
because everything on this car is gonna have the same style on this car.
minus the drive line.
Minus the driveline. So that's why it's 2.0.
Exactly. It's a continuation of a project on a new chassis.
I'm basically transferring the project to this project.
Plus, he
Man.
already has all the major maintenance done outside of like clutch. But I mean, like I told him, he can just bring it over one day, and if he wants to upgrade the lightweight flywheel.
Yeah, that's the only thing he didn't do. I will hand up that he did everything.
I mean, I watched him do everything. I
Yeah.
literally watched him like take it fucking apart and put everything together and put.
No, he was at my house. What was it? The hottest.
The hottest week of the year.
The week
Like-
before the hottest.
That's when I went to Merced Pick and Pull, and I got like two.
Yeah, I did see that.
Yeah, two of those fucking things, but I didn't get the second one. But the next day, I went back and went to get it.
Oh my god.
When it was
Yeah.
like full down.
Yeah. Fuck, man.
I have back seats now.
I mean, you want to take him off, right?
If I want to track this car, yeah, and then put it on that one. Actually, yeah, I'm actually gonna put that over there. If anybody wants that.
What is that?
That's what I said. That's what I said.
What is that?
I thought it looks like dust to me.
That is. What the hell is that, dude?
Dude, that's why I was
It's
like,
like-
that oil?
It's like caked on dust from like 200 years ago.
What
This
is
is
it?
when the dinosaurs were walking.
There was one Celica just roaming with the dinosaurs.
This is a 22-year-old fucking car. That's 22-year-old fucking dust.
Wait, this is a 2000, right?
2000.
Oh, yeah,
You know what?
best-
It's a perfect fucking 2000 because of the ECU.
Best year.
Yeah, best thing. you're
Best
gonna
thing
have.
ever.
Best thing.
Well, technically the 99 JDM is the best, but
Oh
boy, here we go.
That's already in my cart.
technically the best, the 99 GTS.
I didn't even know there was a 99 GT.
Yeah, every time I try to look for 6th gen parts, they always market to 98 only
Yeah.
because it started in 99.
Shit.
But
Yeah, everything will be transferred over. I have GTS wheels now, so this. Yeah, I'm gonna have these for now. These I'll run on the track. I know they're hella heavy, but that's all I got for now. They're bigger. They're fucking.
Why not run these in the track instead? Just get good tires for it.
I'll probably get RT660s and then have a spacer so it has more wider stance. And then put my Megans on them. And then,
Wow, this bumper looks familiar.
yeah. Fuck yeah.
So,
Now I'm not no bitch. I'm a fucking GTS boy.
so advertise your page because you're gonna be selling a lot of parts, right?
So, yeah, I'm gonna be. Well, I'll probably sell the whole thing as a whole. 45. After I change the transmission.
You're gonna change it.
Hopefully.
Where, here?
He's gonna help me? No, he's gonna help me. Sonny will, hopefully tow it over there.
Wait, didn't you have a transmission? Where was it
It's in
at?
the backyard, but it's been sitting in the rain for 2 years. So
Off what?
it was off an 05 GT Auto, the Tsunami I picked up from like.
Ooh, and it worked, huh?
It worked hella well.
You want to throw that? Are you gonna throw that one in?
We can. I mean, it's
Can if
free.
it works.
I mean, what do you have to lose? Time?
I mean, nothing. There's nothing I'm gonna lose.
mean,
I want to get rid of this car.
You lose time. That's about it if it doesn't work. But I mean, it's
If
not
you have
even.
time,
I'll
let's
give you
do
2 chicken sandwiches.
Wow, that's a whopping deal
2
for labor, right? Not for the part,
Plus-
for labor.
plus
Here to help, man.
plus PP touch.
Whoa, whoa! Content viewers don't want to hear that.
Not gay.
That's a lot of water bottles there, buddy.
That's my pick and pull water.
Bro, water and heat and plastic.
I mean, I have tint. What do you expect? And plus, all my shit. That hat goes over it, so it doesn't matter. I don't know. I'm drinking cancer at this point. Yeah.
Okay, I didn't say that.
But yeah, we'll get this thing nice and cleaned up and probably hopefully sell it.
Has
so-
this been on the channel? Oh yeah, it was on the channel.
Yeah,
we
we
did
did this
the
engine swap and
Honda Z
everything.
swap on
and
it.
I mean, we've done work to his car. He's been on a couple of the videos, no?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
It has 135,000 miles on the engine.
Fuck.
The engine is fresh, so.
Just needs a transmission, like we said, so we
Just
might
needs
swap it over.
needs a transmission, swap it, 4,500. If you guys don't like that number, you got best offer, honestly.
Well, best offer.
Hit him up on Instagram.
Clean
Hey,
title, right?
Yeah.
Take a picture, screenshot his page, his parts page, and then
Yeah.
have him.
Well, that's the point I'm doing this video for, Clay. Wow.
Thank you.
Maybe I was the one being generous originally, not you.
I have hella parts that need to be sold, so I can pay this guy. Oh,
I'm just here to help.
and I'm selling this. This is a replica of a TRD 3-point strut brace for the rear.
Did you get an original one now, or why are you trying to sell it?
Because I'm making 2.0. This is a
Wow,
lot heavier.
2.0 everything.
This is 12 pounds. The other one will be the same weight as the original TRD.
Like
Okay.
7 pounds.
7 pounds. So,
Okay.
So he's selling that one. You should sell him. dude.
Selling it for 300. All you need is hardware, 3/8 bolts right here, and all you need to do is bolt it onto where you have your
The bracket
The-
pieces on the side
the-
for those seats.
the seat bracket.
Mhm.
That's all you gotta do. That's it.
I'll
300
make
bucks.
sure. I'll make sure to put it on your page
Hey,
or on the video, your
You
page.
can make more, so if you guys are interested.
Yeah, I can make
2.0.
more. If you guys want 3-point strut brace, you just gotta hit me up on my page or my parts page.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, are you gonna swap over the interior, dude?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Well, cause look, this is a complete. You know, everybody wants something complete. This is not complete. So
Yeah.
I'd rather have this over here than have this. You know.
Damn, the guy that's looking for an 03 is gonna be like, why is this gray interior? I wanted the black interior.
Why does it have pre-facelift taillights?
Pre-facelift taillights. This guy's scamming me.
Let me read the VIN. Let me read the VIN. What the hell is this?
Yeah, but it's still 135.
Hey, on the plus side, he could link the video of where we did the engine swap. Wow.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
Well, you can.
You're the one that's editing the content. You're
Yeah.
the one who's filming. He doesn't have keys to your channel. What the hell, dude? You're weird.
I don't. I
Oh,
make
weird,
content
bro.
on my channel, or not my channel, my Instagram only. That's it. I don't make
Wait.
YouTube videos.
OnlyFans? What?
Yeah. $3.99 a month.
All right, 30 seconds. I'll do 30 more seconds.
Take it for a test drive probably tomorrow. Damn, dude, what the fuck?
So we'll say goodbye right now because I'm gonna end the video soon. But Clay has to go back. We're on Modesto right now. We gotta drive him back to Newark. So we got about an hour and a half drive.
Did I not have my water bottle? Did you see it? It's yellow. I guess I didn't bring it with me.
You better check everything because once you're gone, you're gone.
Yeah, you're gone, you're gone. You leave your wallet, it's his.
Yeah.
You leave your phone, it's his. Jeez.
You leave your tools, it's mine.
Yeah, there you go.